Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Joining me today from the Center City Market in Florence, South Carolina is Doug Smith. Doug, the food guy, with a special recipe just for you all on our Sportsman's Table today. Doug, thanks for being the guest. I can't wait. Tell me what you're going to cook up today.
This is what I call my summer tray bake. I use local chicken from the Florence market. I use vegetables, onions, potatoes, just whatever is available. It really doesn't matter. Just go out and find 3 or 4 colors, very important. You got to mix the colors up. Okay. And it takes about 15 minutes of prep. You just slice up your potatoes, all about the same size so that you can get them boiled, get them a head start. Once you get your potatoes going, then you prep up your vegetables. And again, it's important to always try to keep them cut at about the same size so they cook about the same. And then once you get everything cut, ready to go, you put it in your tray in the oven for 350, about 30 minutes, and you're done. Dinner's ready.
Oh, that's great. I mean, it's fast, quick, okay?
Nobody wants to heat the oven up in the hot summertime in the house, so make it quick, make it good, delicious, ready to go.
Well, I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like.
Okay, Bob, it's been 30 minutes. Let's pull this out and see how it is.
Be careful, it's hot.
Very hot, yes. There we go.
All right, I'll shut the doors behind you. There we go.
Nice summer tray bake, fresh local chicken. It looks delicious, doesn't it, Bob?
Oh, my goodness, Doug, that is awesome. Wow. How did you get the nickname Doug the Food Guy?
I've been a restaurant consultant for 25 years. People would come over to my house and have dinner and say, "You are Doug the Food Guy," and it just kind of went from there.
Well, that's what I'm talking about. Well, thank you so much for being a guest on the show today. And folks, listen, you want to experience great food in Florence, South Carolina, just like you saw on the Sportsman's Table recipe today, come on down and log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu. We'll be right back here next week with another edition of the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.